Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I guess if you clicked on it, it's because you are interested in 3D experience and that you already know that my name is Maxime Chagnot. I am working for PLM Technology in Norway as a CATIA consultant. So today I will not do any tutorial or presentation. I just want to do a summary of 2019 about the YouTube channel and also what we will do next year. And I just want to give you a big thanks for watching us and following us on the social media. So regarding 2019, we have been posting a video almost each Monday since February. 48 video in total this year. And that gave us an increase of 592 subscribers, and we are almost about to reach 1,000 subscribers. So thank you very much all for that. It's unbelievable. We also created a GrabCAD page where we have been granted several badges such as Trusted Company, Upload Master Level 5 and Tutorial Master Level 5 as well. And it's an easy way for you to find our 3D model and also our tutorials for free. Finally, some of our video has been published again on the CATIA community blog and also on the CATIA Facebook page, so that was just a real pleasure to see that. So for the next year, I would probably take a short break to prepare a new video about 3D experience. But what I would like to do is to make some 3D experience presentation. For example, what is the 3D experience? How does it work? What is CATIA in the 3D experience, for instance? But I would like also to create more of this 2-minute tuto that I already made this year, because it's a very easy way to solve to answer one single point very quickly, and also it's very easy to share with my customer. And finally, what I would like to continue to do is to introduce you some application that you might have, but you don't know that you have it, or you don't know how it works. So for example, something very similar to what I did with Introduction to Natural Shape, Introduction to X Generative Design, or Introduction to Well Design. Well, that was it for today. It was a very short video to thank you all for watching the videos, give comments, subscribing to the channel, and also share on social media. Thank you very much. I could not have imagined that we will reach that many subscribers on 3D experience for PLM Technologies. So again, thank you very much. You can find us, of course, on YouTube channel, also GrabCAD, CATIA community, CATIA forum of 3D CAD forums. You can also find us on LinkedIn, and finally on the plmtechnology.com. Thank you very much. Goodbye.